right, y'all. Look out, look out. We got Cam's Life 12 in the building, y'all. Too much fuel. Hey, if y'all want to check it out. Alright, y'all, we got Bearded Baller say he just came from TikTok. Y'all taking? Y'all want this side or this side? I think this side. I think this side got it, y'all. I got a 1080p on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing is my YouTube channel. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. That's good like that. They like pressure. I don't know why they be having that much pressure. Oh, sometimes I think what it be, they be thinking we're gonna take out less pressure this time so we can so it don't have as much power and don't be as aggressive. But sometimes when they be having too much pressure, they make it leave real hard. Dang, bro, we got that extendo. Hey, look out, y'all. Check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. So y'all can check it out in a clearer view.
They need to cut it off. Something wrong with the alternator.
Okay. Something wrong with the alternator. It ain't charging. Y'all ain't charging, man. Hey, y'all, they ain't charging. They lights getting dim. Lookout Racing is the YouTube channel that everybody needs to be on. I said Lookout Racing. Look out. Look out. Look out, Racing. Look out, racing. Hey, yeah, baby. Yeah, I said, yeah. I say, look out, racing, baby. Yeah, look out, racing, baby. Yeah.
May 20th and 21st.
I got some shirts for sale up here too, man. I got the shirts up here. I got the hats. Let me show y'all what we got coming up next, man. We got a $20,000 grudge race coming up, man. And it got your boy Nuke in there. Your boy Nuke. Oh yeah, man. I think I had figured out why I was buffering. I think it had connected back to the Wi-Fi, and I ain't know it. Yeah, but I done stopped it now. I got my Wi-Fi off, Bluetooth off, Pro Stop. What's up with it, man? Look out. Let me see y'all. But anyway, YouTube channel that we trying to get to jump is Lookout Racing. That way everybody be knowing. Wait a minute. Yeah. That way y'all don't be on here talking about, I ain't know we was Lookout right now with you. Yeah, man. We out here at Extreme Race Park. Suburban kid asked me why. I ain't even seen that I was buffering. Okay, we got Jordan Rodriguez just joined from TikTok. Look out, Jordan Rodriguez. Look out, Jordan Rodriguez. Okay, we got a little fox body. Camaro. Got this chameleon painted fox body. Chameleon paint fox. We got Oakland, California in the building. Yeah, this right outside Ferris. Well, it's in Ferris, really.